and in today's video we're doing a little chat of what I have right now, my DJI Spark. I'm missing 3 components. It is a third battery, a OTG cable for USB to USB, and the DJI Mavic / Spark parabolic mirrors or dishes that just fold like a clam and they mount on the antennas. So basically, this is all I have at the moment. The other ones are my PO box right now. So this is my case. I'll be doing a review on everything when I get everything here. So what I use for control is a Samsung SCAT tablet. Has just enough RAM and power to run it, the app, although I do need to put the OTG cable because it's slightly laggy and I do lose connection from time to time, and also when I try to adjust my channels it kind of lags it up. Hopefully the OTG cable will sort that out. Next I have the landing gear. They clip right onto the arms and they just basically keep the drone and the camera and the sensors above the ground if it's wet or if it's landing on grass, or rocks, anything like that. And then we come to the case. This is a regular case that holds everything. Extendable handle. Folds, it goes flat. No latches, so you can't make it a satchel. So yeah, let's put that back up here, like that. Here we are. Everything here. My filters, ND4, 8, 16, and a CPO. A charging bag, basically the basic charger and a charging port. To use a charging port, I had to use a 3.5 amp charger. I used an older Apple iPad charger, and it had just enough power to power the charger with it. I have my tablet holder that had to do a little tape because the mount won't grab it, so I had to use a little modification to grab it. I have my extra props. I will take these out because it looks like it's taking too much room. Microfiber cloth. I had the SD reader, it's in my computer right now. 2 batteries, 1, 2, DJI Spark with the lens and sensor cap protector. Remote right here, and yeah, that's literally about it. My kit, everything fits in one bag, chargers and everything. Once I get the third battery, I have it mounted on the drone, and once I get the OTG cable, it'll go right into the charging bag, and same with the clam shell parabolic lens dishes will go in here, so it's just still enough room. So yeah, that all closes neatly and everything. Now, do a little updates. I am in the university, so I won't be doing a lot of videos, and when I do, it'll be just quick little flight videos or reviews or updates. And that's basically about it. I will show another video of my second drone. It is a Q500 4K. I know this is strictly for the DJI Spark, but the Q500 is going to be for mainly use as secondary use. Like, let's say I'm doing a review and I want to get some shots of the the Spark, then I would just use a Spark and fly the Spark and have the Q500, taking secondary perspectives of it. And let's see, I think that's about covers everything actually. I may do a little organization in here to try to clear out as much space as here, so I can put my tablet in there, put my filters here, and still have enough room here. So yeah, that about covers everything. Once I get everything together, I'll do a final review about everything. And once I show you all that, and then once I get all that done, I'll release a video of the DJI Spark. What I have plans hope for, because I looked online and I looked up on some videos, it turns out this drone has a 1 2/3 sensor, Sony sensor I believe, and it is possible to do higher resolutions, but I can't do them. DJI can do it, but if they ever do decide to do higher resolutions, I don't care for 2.7K, 30 or 4K. I'm just hoping for 1080p 60 because it looked really good in this drone. Because I already got the filters and the range. This drone is basically perfect for me already. 3 batteries, not much I can complain. So yeah, that about covers everything for this video. So thank you all for watching, and